Rising dramatically from the central Australian desert, the huge red rock of Uluru is one of Australia's most iconic attractions. Formerly known as Ayers Rock, Uluru is made of sandstone about 500 million years old. It stands 348 meters high and has a circumference of 9.4 kilometers. Uluru is at its most stunning around sunrise and sunset, when the golden light makes the rock's colors come alive. The monolith's unbelievable size and immense cultural significance to local Indigenous people has made it an icon of Australia, and its magnificence cannot be understated. Uluru is a spectacular panorama, but its real beauty can be found by looking closer. This ancient monolith is home to rare plants and animals, important spiritual sites and caves painted with remarkable rock art. The unmitigated remoteness of this destination has done nothing to curb the enthusiasm of people from around the world to come and visit the rock, watching it stand magnificently above the flat, arid landscape that's spread out around it in every direction.